Test every smoke and carbon monoxide alarm before you move in to make sure they work and meet local safety rules. Start by locating every detector in the home and create a checklist that covers bedrooms, hallways, living areas, and each level, including basements and attics. Use the detector manufacturer test button to trigger the alarm and listen for a full volume steady pattern. If the unit has a separate test mode for interconnection, verify that pressing one unit causes all linked units to sound. Replace batteries in units that use replaceable cells and carry fresh batteries with you when you move, and swap in new sealed long life batteries for units that show low battery chirps. If any alarm is older than 10 years, replace the entire unit because internal sensors degrade and may not detect smoke or carbon monoxide reliably. For carbon monoxide detectors, follow the same age guideline and place them outside sleeping areas, and on each level following manufacturer placement instructions, which often differ from smoke alarm placement. Keep the manuals or download them and register each device with the manufacturer to receive safety notices and recall alerts. Common problems are dead or missing batteries, which you fix by replacing with fresh batteries and testing daily during move week. Older sensors failing, which you address by replacing any unit older than 10 years right away. And lack of interconnection, so one alarm does not alert the whole household, which you resolve by installing interconnected units, either wired or using compatible wireless interconnect models, and testing the interconnect function regularly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and get practical guidance on home safety topics like alarm testing and replacement. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips and regional code advice.